friends, welcome back to a new video, Simple G Tech. Today's video is Redmi 5A. I'm going to review. Okay guys, let's check the camera of this device. Okay, this camera comes with 30 megapixel with flash, and Redmi 5A. I can take a photo of it. Yeah, it flashes. And video recording, it records up to 1080p resolution. That means full HD. And in terms of speed, I can say 7.5 out of 10. And comes the 4G network, but I'm in our area not available of 4G here. I'm using Vodafone, so not getting the 4G network here. So let's forget it. I'm using the Wi-Fi right now. About this sound, okay, let's check the sound of this device. I'm going to YouTube. The speaker comes with ear, so in terms of speaker I can say nice. So about the body, it's aluminum covered, and in this we can do multiple tasking. Okay, I will show the one example for this. Okay guys, we can check this multiple tasking. So keep it aside and see. Already I'm open with the Facebook, so dragged items, one will upload here and one will be here. So it's easy, right? We can do many work instead of can drag it here. And don't forget to like our page, Simple G1. It comes with a G1 KP, so like the page and more updates on this upcoming video, what click and taken. Okay guys, and in terms of gaming, okay guys, this is a hill climbing race 2. So in terms of gaming, I can say this is very good. Come on, you can do it. Yeah, it's very nice. Yeah, okay, in terms of gaming, it's nice device. This operating system MIUI 9.240, the latest one. So I think this comes with same thing, it comes with the Nougat version of Android. Now the most of Android phones are Nougat version this year. Actually this phone launched on Xiaomi website MI. I got it from 5,000 rupees. Usually then Flipkart and they will give 6,000, I don't know, maybe it'll be depending on the price, and it's running with out of stock. Okay guys, this device is 2GB RAM and 32GB internal memory. That is my memory card, right? Sorry, yeah, 16GB internal memory. Okay guys, and it has 30 megapixel camera, 4G network. You can when you can insert a GeoSIM on it. And in case, let's try with Nougat. Okay guys, thanks for watching guys. If you like this video, please put like, share your friends, and if any questions, please put the comment down below. It's a main point of our channel. And don't forget to subscribe, hit the subscribe button to get more updates. See you soon, bye bye.